Once upon a time in a forest lived a deer. She wasn't like the other deer because she liked shiny things. While the other deer were busy eating and sleeping, she would look around for beautiful stones, colorful glass, bits of broken pottery, and anything that glittered. She made necklaces out of these things and wore them all at once. Her favorite, though, was a necklace made of raindrops. Now, making a necklace out of raindrops isn't easy. It takes patience and skill. First, you have to wait until it's a sunny day after a rain shower. Then you have to find a twig that's just the right size and shape. And finally, you have to be quick. If you hesitate even for a moment, the raindrops will dry up and your necklace will be ruined. This deer had been trying to make a raindrop necklace for days, but she couldn't get it right. She'd find the perfect twig and then a bird would fly by and ruin the necklace with its shadow, or she'd find a nice bit of string to tie the necklace onto. And then a cloud would pass by and the sunlight would disappear. Just as she was about to give up, she saw a spider spinning a web. The deer watched as the spider carefully stretched out its thread, waiting patiently for the right moment. When a plump beetle flew into its web, the deer thought, "I need to be more like that spider. It waits patiently for the right moment." So the deer sat down on a nearby stone and waited. She waited for an hour, and then another hour. Just when she thought the sun would set before she got a chance, a fat bumblebee crawled into her web.
Ow, the deer jumped up,
Grabbed the web and pulled it tight. Then she ran as fast as she could through the forest. She gathered more webs along the way, and soon she had enough material to make 3 necklaces. The first one she made for herself. It was the most beautiful necklace she'd ever made. The dewdrops sparkled like diamonds in the sunlight. Then she made a necklace for the little squirrel that had helped her gather the webs. The squirrel was so happy to receive the gift that it gave the deer a big hug. The deer was so pleased with herself. She'd not only made a beautiful necklace, but she'd also made a new friend. From that day on, the deer and the squirrel became the best of friends. They spent their days looking for shiny things and their nights sleeping next to each other, their necklaces sparkling in the moonlight. The end.